Here I have INTEX Cloud FAME, and let me show you how to enter here the boot mode on the following device. So at the very beginning, let's start by using the power key. Choose here power off and tap OK to confirm the operation. Wait until your device will be completely switched off, and then let's use the following combination of keys, power key and volume up. Let's hold down together those two keys, power key and volume up. Release both keys as soon as boot mode pops up. Here you can navigate by using volume up and confirm options by pressing volume down. Here you can choose recovery, fastboot, or you can quit this mode by choosing normal. So let me quit the device by using the normal. Let's just wait. That's it, everything went well. Now you can unlock the screen and start using your phone in a normal way. Thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel, leave thumbs up under the video.